Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm standing on the Sea Ray 2021 270 Sun Deck. What a hot boat this is. It does everything well. It's the largest single engine boat that we have, so pricing wise it's very, very competitive. It does an awful lot. This particular boat's powered by the new Mercury 300. Fantastic motor. It flies. The back of the boat's got sea deck all the way up to the cockpit area, and then you've got huge storage. You got a sun pad that's 4 to 5 people, adults wide, and then you all comes up and it's all huge storage underneath. You can store your fenders, your lines, and you name it, all your toys. Plenty of room for everything. Also has a ski piling, and as I move on to the boat, you've got the bimini top, but you've got the tower as well. So this is very secure as far as you don't get any of the canvas rattle because of that. This particular boat has got the booming speakers on it. Awesome, awesome sound on that. This is also can come down, so if you get it under a bridge or something like that, it will do that also. But you've got nice U-shaped seating all the way around, storage, good storage underneath. This is the forward-facing seat, but you can also take it and you can lounge facing backwards. So nice feature that it does that. And as I move to the helm area, this will do the exact same thing here. So when you're not driving the boat, you can just lounge comfortably backwards, which is really, really nice. It's got the recessed SIM-rad, so it's a good size. It's all you need for this, so you're set up very, very well with your electronics. And as I move over to the head area, it's got the vacuum flush head. It's got a window, fresh air, a little daylight, natural daylight, but it's a good size head for a 27-foot boat. And we move through, you've got nice dry storage underneath the helm area. And you've got dedicated storage for 2 tables. So you've got table, one for the front, and one for the back. So 2 tables, which is very, very nice. Then up to the bow, U-shaped seating as well. This is where the second table would go here. Really comfortable lounges. And then when I open this up, it's got the beach boarding ladder, so you can drive right up onto the beach and get on and off the boat safely without going in the water. Really, really nice feature. So boat does everything well. That's why it's one of our more popular models. If you've got any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.